Unless you've been living under a rock and you don't know what the Tesla Roadster is, then you might want to watch this video because I'm going to tell you all about it, because we have some news, not so much good news for the ones that made their deposit, because Elon Musk just mentioned that the Tesla Roadster isn't a priority after being debuted by Elon Musk. That famous video that we see up here where it's offloading from the back of a trailer, and you see this beautiful car because it is going to be Tesla's Halo vehicle. Elon Musk, after getting deposits and after doing everything, has said that the vehicle is not a priority, and we're going to get into it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Javi here, bringing you another auto tech video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to smash that like and that thumbs up for your boy. Well, same thing, and the subscribe for your boy. We on the road to 15,000. Today's video is sponsored by Ansel. Ansel is an OBD2 scanner. I got mine's here. You guys can head up to their website. They got major discounts. It is an amazing OBD2 scanner. It actually reads the OBD2 codes, obviously. It also does graphing data. It also does the smog test for you to see if you're going to pass the state inspection. You can actually get it on Amazon. There is an affiliated link into the bottom of the description. You guys know I make a little bit of money off of the affiliated link that helps support the channel. Or you could go to their websites. They're around $30, a little bit 30 and change. Really good. I've been using it. OBD2 codes with graphing, the smog test just in case, and an OBD2 code for $30. This company is very well known and it's very good. And I'll leave a link in the description below. So what is going on, guys? So Elon Musk suggested the Tesla Roadster is not of a priority, which to me, that's kind of insane. Have you guys seen the Tesla Roadster? This is the vehicle up here. We obviously saw the video now of it rolling, and this is the picture here we have like in front of some mountains. This car looks very cool. Now, some info about this vehicle, and this is Tesla Halo's car, is it does a 0 to 60, is expected to do a 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds, which that is insane. And the other great thing about it is that the top speed is going to be 250 miles plus. When this vehicle comes out, there's not going to be any challenge for this vehicle. There's not going to be anyone that could get next to this vehicle. You have the Corvette ZR1. The Corvette ZR1 just did 233 at the Papenburg in Germany. And that's pretty crazy because it is a twin turbo, 1064 horsepower, flat plane crankshaft. Like the Corvette ZR1 has all the works. But this Tesla Roadster, and it even has a range of 620 miles. This vehicle is insane. But we're going to get into the article here because the long-awaited vehicle, Elon Musk just said, is not a priority. So Elon Musk thanks the long-suffering deposit holders. And why does he say that? Well, as he says, this is the cherry on the icing on top of the cake. But the MSRP price for this vehicle, or the price tag, is $250,000. And many customers were very interested on the vehicle. Some of them put a deposit down, maybe half, maybe 20%. Some of them even place a complete $250 deposit. But Elon, rather than focusing on bringing the vehicle up to light, has kind of sidetracked with other projects. We have SpaceX. We saw last week what they did with that rocket, where it kind of came back to its own platform. That was insane. They're focused a lot on Mars, on the space, on the SpaceX and all that stuff, and that is great. But we saw the Cybertruck. We also saw the Cybercab that's going to be released. We saw the Robovan. We saw the other robot that apparently could do wonders inside your house. But the Tesla Roadster has taken a back seat. And we're going to get into the article here real quick. And it says, I just like to thank the long-suffering deposit holders for Tesla. The reason it hasn't come out yet is because the Roadster, it's not just the icing on the cake, it's the cherry on the icing on the cake. He said, our larger mission is to accelerate the progress towards a sustainable energy future, try to do things that maximize the probability that the future is good for humanity and for Earth. That necessarily means that the things that like that are kind of put into the back burner, like the Tesla Roadster. But within all those bad news, there's actually some good news, and there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And the reason for that is because Musk revealed that early this year, Tesla plans to begin production of the Roadster in 2025. Excuse me. Well, he really hasn't set a date yet, and the car has been pushed back. He said that for 2025 is definitely coming. We love to work on the next gen Tesla Roadster, he quoted. It's super fun and we are working on it, but it has come behind things that are more serious impact on the good for the good of the world. So thanks to all the long-suffering Tesla Roadster deposit holders, we're actually making progress. We're actually finally making progress, and we're closer to finalizing the design on that. It's going to be something spectacular. Well, I thought the design was pretty much complete, to be honest. We have an interior picture here. These seats are amazing. This car looks like if we were in a Star Wars movie, Mandalorian, whatever series, and we saw this there, like in one of the planets in the series, you would think like, oh, okay, this is what they have over there. This is the vehicle. But this is crazy what this man is doing. These seats look amazing. The front, you see that infotainment or that in-dash there, how it's just kind of curving down, and that half a steering wheel, this is going to be an insane vehicle. Now, with the price tag of $250, obviously you guys have to tell me in the comments if you would pay for that. You have to think it does a 0 to 60 in 1.9 plus 250 miles per hour top speed, a range of 620 miles. Look, I'm not a huge fan of EVs or hybrid, but I am a fan of Tesla and what they do, and this is an amazing vehicle. It has a lightweight glass roof, which is also removable, and it stores in the trunk for open air in a convertible experience. This is the picture we're seeing it here now, the one that's kind of open. But anyways, for the deposit holders, not so much great news, as the vehicle has been put on hold and is on the back burner, but Musk has some good news. It's going to start design, it's going to start production by 2025. So I'm either behind on the video, or they either finalize the design by now, because I'm reading the article that just recently came out like a day ago, actually a few hours ago. But hopefully the long-awaited EV can make a comeback, and not make a comeback because it never came in, but hopefully the long-awaited EV could get here and everybody could get their money's worth. And I am excited for this vehicle to come out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I'll see you on the next one. If you guys are tuning in, remember to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Your boy is out of here.